Hi, in this video I will show you how to clean all the sensors on your Xiaomi vacuum mop robot Lite 2nd generation. To start, take a moist paper towel or a cloth and clean the laser sensor on the front cover. Then we need to flip the vacuum and you can clean the back sensors, all 4 of them, and you can also clean the charging point. And this is how you clean the sensors on your Xiaomi vacuum mop robot. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.